Mr. Chancellor, sir.
Thukuru wa University wa Jomo Kenyatta niguo JKUAT ni utugite njorua ya mahenya ma marathon kuma guku bururi-ini ELIUD Kipchoge na degree ya kumutia kumana na kwirutira gwake mahenya-ini matiganite hamwe na mibango yake ya guthaitira mabata ma kiumundu. Kuringana na munini wa Chancellor University-ini ino Victoria Ngumi, Kipchoge ni erutanirie na njira nene kurehera bururi ngumo njega mathako-ini undu umwe na gutigirira ati miturire ya andu thi ngima ni yagira.
ELIUD is not only a very special athlete, but also a very special human being. He possesses exemplary principles and a moral code of living which inspires the human race.
Kipchoge no rio nyitireire rekodi mahenya-ini ma marathon ni acokirie ngatho guku akihoya arutwo gutigirira ati ni mahutia miturire ya andu na njira njega hari maundu maria marikaga.
When you get out of that cage today, you have only one thing to do: provide service. Help that person near whom you can reach.
Kugena kuo kocha munene wa timu ya Nyarari ya KCB mubira-ini wa moko Japheth Munala nionanitie kuiganira na mehaririria ma timu ino mbere ya ikereka ria keri ria ngucanio cia ELDORET City Volleyball na iria ikambiriria muthenya wa RUCIU kiharo-ini kia ELDORET National Polytechnic.
My preparation was to play well the league. Unfortunately, we have been given a walkover. League is number 1 in the KCB. So tomorrow the team has prepared well for the league as well as this ELDORET City tournament.
Captain wa kirafu giki Eddie Dhwisa ni athinyiririe ati ni matafanitie mehaririria makinyaniru magutigirira ni maiyukia uhotani ngucanio-ini ici.
Each and every team will be coming knowing that we are playing the national champions. We are expecting to get tough challenges from the opponents, but as a team we are ready for everything.
Ado-ini ha metha ya mathako ya Kameme TV. Geto Mwagi Ifurahemu.